Good evening, Southeast Texas. Nothing in the sky right now except clear skies, nothing on radar. It's just a quiet night, a very warm night across Southeast Texas. This view courtesy of Mid-County Plumbing, part of the Roofing 911 Skycam network. No surprise today, no rain today. And for the month, this is at Port Arthur. Not everybody's seeing that amount of rainfall, but for the year, we're down over 9 inches, 9 1/3 inches for the year, at least at the airport there in Port Arthur. Again, very quiet, not much going on, just very warm across Southeast Texas. Currently, we're at 82 over in Port Arthur. MJ Ponsagraw reporting 84. It's 85 into Orange, 84 in Jasper, and over in Woodville, Travis Smith has 84. Jim Monk, after a high of 101, reporting 85 into Warren. Across the state, still 99 at Dallas, 87 Houston, 88 into San Antonio and Austin, 90 in Lubbock, 99 in Del Rio. And as you can see, high temperatures were a tad bit cooler up towards Wichita Falls. Instead of that 115 yesterday, they did 111. Oklahoma City down 10 degrees, only 100 this afternoon. Dallas at 109, 106 in College Station, 104 in San Antonio and Austin, Lubbock, Midland. You get the picture. A lot of triple digits across the state. And the cooler temperatures, or lower temperatures, I should say, in through North Texas were due to the clouds and even a little shower activity due to a stalled front up that way. And its moisture continues to increase across the Red River Valley and back over to northern Louisiana. We're going to be watching off towards our northeast. Moisture may try to come on down around that high, the eastern periphery of that high, and that would try to work on in from the north, maybe northeast. Boy, wouldn't that be great coming Friday morning. Boy, late July, you wouldn't know it, but that's the way it looks out in the Gulf of Mexico. Virtually cloudless out there. Same story for the Caribbean. Please, let's continue this. And in the far eastern Atlantic, this is not anything that we should need to be worried about. That is just the intertropical convergence zone. There's maybe a weak wave there, but don't see anything developing in the next 10 days. Otherwise, you can see abundant Saharan dust, and that's telling us that it's very dry in the mid-levels of the atmosphere over the eastern Atlantic. So that's good news. It's hard to make thunderstorms with that capping or dry air in that level. Otherwise, looking at quiet conditions tonight, some areas here in the Triangle are not going to go below 80, 81 tomorrow morning. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll go with about a 10 to 20% coverage across the area. Highs in the mid to upper 90s as high pressure weakens. Coming up Friday, here comes a tropical wave, as you can see, moisture moving on in. That could give us about a 30 to 40% coverage Friday and Saturday. Then the high moves off to the east, weakens, and then we'll be watching another upper level disturbance coming on in as we head towards the middle of next week. So the pattern is going to change. On the Gulf of Mexico, slightly choppy seas around 2 to 3 feet in your coastal marine forecast tomorrow. A southwest wind at 10 to 15 knots expected tonight. Mostly clear, warm and humid. Around 80 to the lower 80s in the Triangle, mid 70s in the lakes area. Likely to see a 10 to 20% coverage, highs into the mid to upper 90s. Heat indices right at the danger zone, no doubt about that. Taking a look at your extended forecast, 10 to 20% coverage, 30, maybe 40% coverage coming up Friday, Saturday, a break on Sunday, then a scattering of showers and storms Monday. Then the big pattern change. Look at this as we head towards Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, into Saturday of late next week. Highs will be cooling to near normal in the lower 90s with about a 40% coverage at this point. And again, we need it. And it looks promising as we head on into late next week.